Hello everyone, my name is Dhananjay Reddy Manne. I am part of Informatica Global Customer Support team. In this presentation, we will be going through how to use Apache Iceberg formatted Hive tables in data engineering integration. Moving on. Today's agenda: what is Apache Iceberg, sample DDL, requirements, demo. Moving on. What is Apache Iceberg? Apache Iceberg is an open source table format for large analytical datasets in data lakes, providing data warehouses like futures, acid, time travel, schema evolution directly on cloud storages, S3, ADLS, GCS using formats like Parquet or ORC. Moving on. Sample DDL. This is the DDL which we have used in-house to create Iceberg formatted Hive table. We have to mention stored by Iceberg, and once it's created, when we run show create table statement, what we can see is the table type is now Iceberg. Moving on. Requirements. Currently in Informatica DE 10.9 it is supported with CDP 731 private cloud base. So you have to use CDP 731 private cloud base with Informatica 10.9 in order to use the Apache Iceberg tables. And also, like, you have to run this mapping only in Spark engine. Native engine is not certified, only the Spark engine is the certified. Demo. Let me show you mapping. I have already created one sample mapping using the 731 Hive connection, source and target, and it is getting successful as well. Let me go to the monitor tab. I just now run the mapping and the mapping is successful. It has read the data and returned to the target. Only thing is, like, nothing changes for a normal Hive mapping to the Iceberg. Only in the creation of the DTL, you have to create it with the Iceberg format stored by Iceberg, and in the distribution type you have to use 7/18 for the 731 cluster. These are the thing. Going back, you can go through these documents for more details. We would like to hear from you on our social media handles. Please give us your valuable feedback over there. Thank you all.